Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox the new Nintendo Switch version 2 that recently my brother bought from Lazada from the 12/12 sale. Now, I asked him if I could unbox it, so he said, sure, why not? Just to help you in your video and to give you more views in your channel. So today we're going to unbox this Nintendo Switch. You might already know this from the previous videos. If you've been looking for a Nintendo Switch, you probably know what it is. So what I'm going to do is just give you an unboxing experience of this Nintendo Switch and tell you about some of the features, or at least some of the things that we can look forward for version 2 of this Nintendo Switch. So as you can see, this is a sealed box. Okay, this is a sealed box. Alright, so we just recently received it from the mail. And on top of that, we also got some games. We also got some games that we can unbox and show you what my brother bought for himself. This is his Christmas gift for this 2019. Alright, let's open it up. Now, what is a Nintendo Switch? Nintendo Switch is a console made by Nintendo that is a 2-in-1. If you have a PlayStation or a Nintendo 64 or a Nintendo Wii and Game Boy DS or something like a handheld, this Nintendo Switch is actually a combination of both. You can use it as a handheld or use it as a console. Okay, so let me open the box. So there you have it. This is the box, the Nintendo Switch. There are two variations of this one. You have the red and neon blue controller. Some Nintendo Switch has all gray color Joy-Cons. That's what they call it. Okay, so the box is here. Okay, so you have it here. Okay, so yeah, you can use it 2 players, okay, or single player. Okay, so let's open it up. There you have it. Okay, you have the Joy-Cons, very small Joy-Cons. Compared to my hands, it's a really tiny controller. So you have 2 of them. One is on the left and one is on the right. Okay, for the controls. So you can hold it like this if you want to, or you can attach it to the Nintendo Switch itself. Okay, so like this. Okay, I'll show it to you later. But first, we look at what's inside the box. Okay, so you have all these cartons. This is the HDMI cable, okay, wherein you hook in your TV, okay, using the console. Or this is the device wherein you insert your Nintendo Switch. Okay, so here. Okay, so you have some of the ports here. You have the USB. Okay, so this is the dock that you will use to insert your Nintendo Switch here, and you'll show in the TV connected via the HDMI. So let's try to open this up. Okay, so you have some HDMI inputs. Okay, so you have the AC adapter here, USB, HDMI. This is where you plug in the HDMI, and the other end goes to your television. Okay, so that's that. And of course, you have some, what is this? Oh, these are extra caps for your controller. Okay, you have 2 of these. Okay, so what you do is you put it like this one, so to make it, so for you to be able to. Okay, so let's turn it out. Show it to you. Okay, so you have these like this one, I think, or the other way around. There you go. I'll insert this. Or maybe it's the other controller. Okay. There you go. So you get to have a L1 and up and R1 button. Okay, so this is your joypad. Okay, so let's remove that later. And you have your power adapter. Okay, so this one plugs to the back of your console here, back. Okay. And this one is the controller, wherein you plug in the two Joy-Cons. Okay, let me show it to you, so that you'll have a easier time holding it. So you got something like that. Click. And the other one, let me remove it. Lock. You even know how to remove this. Oh. There you go. So you slide this like this, so that this will serve as your controller. Okay, serves as your controller. Okay, so now let's look at the Nintendo handheld Switch itself. Okay, let me remove the box. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so this is the Nintendo Switch. Okay, very small screen. Okay. Alright, so at the back you have a stand here, a kickstand. Okay, or yeah, a kickstand wherein you can put it on your table, it will stand like this one. Okay, and you have a SD card here, slot. Okay, you have the USB. I think this is USB-C already. Okay, and what else? You have the game card insertion here. Okay, insert the game card here, and you have the power button, and the volume up and down. Yeah, volume up and down. Okay, so another mode that you can try is, how do you remove this? Oh, remove the Joy-Cons. Okay, and insert it in your Nintendo Switch. Okay. If you remember the good old days of Game Boy or Game Gear, okay, I used to have Game Gear here. This is what it looks like. Okay. Now, if you don't want to use it as a handheld gaming device, you can actually insert it in the console, okay, like this. Okay, you have to snap it on. Oh, I think it's already in. Yeah, it's already in. Okay, you don't even have to hear a click. Okay, like this. Now, when you connect to your TV, it's already going to be shown in your TV, so you can play in your couch together with your friends with the Nintendo Switch. Alright. Now, what games did my brother buy together with the Nintendo Switch? Let me show it to you very briefly, and I'll make a narration arrangement here so that you'll be able to see what's inside the box. Okay, this one, this one, and finally, let me open up the games that he bought. He bought 3 games so that he could play this Christmas. So we have this one. Oh, let me open this one up. Okay. It's very tightly sealed. It's very good on packaging, making sure that nothing will break upon ship out. So when he was a kid, he was a very avid fan of Pokemon. So he got this one, the Pokemon sword. Okay. He got the Super Smash Brothers Ultimate. Okay. And finally, he got Luigi's Mansion Part 3. Okay. I told him to get Zelda Breath of the Wild, but he said he would just borrow from one of his friends. So the back side of this one, the Ultimate Smash Brothers. Okay, I need not open it. Okay, and this is the back side of the Pokemon sword. Okay, and this is the back side of the Luigi's Mansion. Okay, so you can pause the video if you want to see what's in the back side of the cartridge. So I will not be opening it because there's probably some content code inside, so I don't want you to get it. Alright, so there you have it, guys. All 3 games. Okay, so I'll put it here. Okay, and all 3 games of the Nintendo Switch that he got from the recent 12/12 sale. So how much did he get all of these? Okay, this one cost around 18,000 pesos, or about 250 US dollars. He got it from all the sales and promos and vouchers. So I think this is a pretty good deal. In fact, I myself am planning to get one, depending on the budget, depending on if I will be able to have the time to play, or after I tried the Nintendo Switch. Before we go home, or at least before we end the video, let's try to turn this on and see if there's some batteries. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Alright, so these are the initial setups. Okay, let me try English. Okay, so I will not do the setup. I'll let my brother do the setup. He might have some special settings that he wants to go into, so I'll let him do it. So there you have it, guys, the Nintendo Switch version 2. The Nintendo Switch version 2 boasts of a better battery than the first one, so you enjoy more gaming time with your Nintendo Switch on the go whenever you're not hooked in the dock, or whenever you don't have the charging. Now, my brother also bought a Bluetooth dongle wherein he could insert here in the Nintendo Switch so that he can plug in a separate earphone, but I didn't bother to it hasn't arrived yet, so won't be able to include this in this video. So thank you very much for watching, and just want to thank everybody for helping and supporting my channel. We already reached more than 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very, very happy. And thank you very much for all the love and support. If you have any concerns, comments, please don't hesitate to put it down below. And I'll put all the descriptions, all the links in the Lazada or the Shopee for this link so that you can take advantage next time when they go on sale. So thank you for watching and have a good day, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.